Hello, in this video we will be looking at the main features and functionality of the ESdat chemistry table. It provides dynamic views and filtering on lab results, so you can tailor how your analytical data is displayed and organized. Multiple lab reports can be selected and filtered by variables such as project, sample date, site, etc. In the table, the compounds that have been analyzed are listed across the top and applied environmental standards are listed in the row below. The samples are shown down the left-hand side against the results and statistics are displayed at the bottom of the table. Let's start by taking a look at the chemistry table menu where there are options to manage the formatting, layout, and export of the chemistry table. Different chem profiles can be created and maintained. You can create a profile and customize your own settings for how compounds are displayed in the table. The visibility of a compound can be switched on or off here. The pencil icon will be enabled only if you own or have permissions to edit the chem profile. The details of a compound such as the name, grouping, order, and units can be changed and saved to the current profile. Remember to save any changes you've made to your chem profile to ensure consistency across your tables. The custom layout allows you to create different layouts and formatting that can be quickly applied to your tables. This can include environmental standards and settings in the other menu items to the right. An existing layout can be copied and renamed, and any current changes saved to the current layout. Lab reports can be compared against any one or more regulatory environmental standard. All global standards and any custom standards specific to the account will be listed here. These are selected and managed by power users in the ESdat settings and libraries. Note that any environmental standards associated with a site or location in a lab report will be selected by default. If an environmental standard is grayed out, i.e. disabled, that indicates that it has no chem code or unit matches to the displayed data. We are now going to select this environmental standard to compare with the results and see if there are any exceedances. We can customize how exceedances are formatted by clicking here and changing the background or foreground color. Hex color codes can be specified in the formatting options. The result font styles can also be changed, such as bold and italics. When these changes are applied, we can see the exceedances of the standard are now highlighted in orange and that fluoride has exceedance results. The sample information that is displayed in the chem table can be selected in this menu. You can add a field like depth and rearrange the order of the fields by dragging the names in the menu. The table's results are sorted according to the order of these fields. The statistics that are listed at the bottom of the chem table can be selected in this drop-down. If you wanted to add the average concentration and standard deviation to the table, it would be done here. The non-detect multiplier can also be customized. This is the value used in calculations where results are non-detect. The results can be filtered to display detects only, so that all non-detects are hidden, and exceedances only so that only results exceeding the selected environmental standards are shown. Other text can be set to display when there is no result. For example, a hyphen or NA. Text can also be set up for non-detect results, such as ND. Similar to the environmental standards exceedance formatting, the detect and non-detect cells can be formatted using color and font styles. A typical application might be to make the detects bold and the non-detects less obvious. The option to display or hide result qualifiers and comments is also available here. You can see this result for chloride has both validation qualifier and comment. The qualifiers and comments can be added directly to the result if you have edit permissions. This is particularly important where there may be an issue with the result or where concentrations are high. Comments are numbered with a hash on the chemistry table and details can be viewed in the Comments tab. A chem table can be exported to Excel with the chem names displayed either horizontally across the page or vertically down the page. All formatting and layout customizations are directly translated to the Excel table when it is exported. The settings for the print view of the table can be managed in Excel export settings. For example, there are settings for font styles, page scaling, and margins for content on this page. Company logos and other information can also be populated automatically in the header or footer. As with the chem profile, when you have made changes in any of these menus, be sure to save the current custom layout to keep these settings for future application. So, we've seen that in the chemistry table we can customize chemistry profiles and save custom layouts. Set the environmental standards and sample information. Select statistics and how the results are displayed. View further details and comments of results. And tailor how the export appears in Excel. Further documentation is available online at the ESdat support portal. Thank you for watching.